Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, it means that you are needing help doing the Works Cited page. No worries, it's not too difficult once you know how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to ClassLink just like I am, and then you're gonna look for where it says info at your library. You're gonna click on it, you're gonna open it, and you're gonna look for this thing called MyBib, which is right here. So it's called MyBib. You're gonna open it up. If you are new, it may make you make an account. Just make it just like your regular school, login and everything, and that's how you do it. So here's our first citation, but I'm going to delete it just because I do not need it for any particular reason. So I'm going to delete everything because I haven't done that in a while, and delete. I'm going to start a new project, and I'm going to name the new project. I'm just naming it Monster. Okay. So then after that, you're going to click a new citation. You can do it right here, or you can do it right here. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go to a book, and I don't need this. I'm going to enter it manually, and then my author, it asks for the first name, Walter Dean, it pops right up for me, and then Myers. Okay, if I had another author, I would add that, or if I had anything else. I don't have anything. If it was like really fancy smanchy, I would, but I don't. Then I'll write down Monster, and then the date published. For people who are watching this video, obviously you can't see, but I'm sure you can hear. I have the book in my hand, and what you would do is you would flip through and you would look for the first page of the book. And when it says date published, it means the version of this book that I have. There's multiple books that of the same book, and I'm looking for that. So the date published, I have noticed 2013, all right? And then there's the original date, which means when Walter D. Myers actually created this book, and that would be 1999. And the edition, let's look here, and it's all very tiny, and it's hard to see, so if you were doing this on your own, it's kind of difficult to do. So it is, let's look and see here. Okay, so I found it. It is the first volume number would be if it was like in an anthology of books, like Harry Potter or like Diary of a Wimpy Kid. That's not the case. Publisher, I'm looking, and it happens to be Harper Teen. And publisher place would be right here, New York, New York. The page range would be if the entirety of the book was like a specific number. Like if we only read like 10 pages, we're not rereading the whole thing. Is the book online? Actually, it is. Yes, it is. And it is this link right here. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to put it right here, URL. And then I'm going to say I did it today because we went on this website today. If you're watching it, yes, it is a little dated, but it works for whatever day. And then we're going to click Save. And there it is. There is your Works Cited citation. So then if you want to create the Works Cited citation, what you do is you go right here, you go to copy and paste, and it has confetti, you click to copy, and then what you do is you would go to a Google Doc, which is connected to the assignment. I don't have that with me right now, so I'm going to go right here. I'm just going to do a blank document, and I would just copy and paste. It's right there. When you turn it in, it'll show up, but even if it's not, you should definitely say Works Cited, or I would actually do Monster Works Cited. That's what I would do. I would leave it right there, and that's how you do it. In a real Works Cited paper, you would actually put this at the end of your essay, but that will be more expected of you next year. We're just trying to get you to kind of understand what we're looking for. So thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.